So I'm back. I figured it out. Carburetor number one. I got it pretty much hooked up. This goes on here. I got that finally on here, that little arm there. And I'm only going to do carburetor one tonight. I'm doing a little bit at a time. I don't want to overwhelm myself. Tighten everything down real good. I'm missing one screw here. I gotta put in here. Hope I have all my screws. I'm sure I do. That doesn't feel like it wants to tighten up. We'll tighten that one up. Tighten them all up. Squeezing into that gasket. You don't want any leaks. You don't want any air leaks. For some reason, this one's not tightening. Oh, I think I know why. They have this little thing here. I don't know what it's for. So kind of, you can see it was sitting on there. Let me see something. I'll put it back on, just for looks. It's got some kind of numbering system on it. Manufacturer number or something, I guess. I don't know. Or maybe it's shown it was rebuilt. Somebody let me know. I don't know. It's a piece of aluminum. Now it's tightening. How about that? Before it wouldn't tighten up. Got all my screws in, carburetors together, pretty much. Ventura. This goes on here. This goes on there. The diaphragm. Not sure what that's for. That's supposed to go in there. Somewhere or another. Yeah. Keeps coming out. Supposed to bend it. To bend it, I guess. I don't know how you bend it, but you bend it. I guess it helped a little bit. I'm hooked up to the other one. And this just came off again. I'm going to have to rectify that with clips. I guess once it's in there, it should stay in there. But it don't seem to want to stay in there. Maybe once I hook the throttle up, it'll stay. Hook it into the car. This goes on the bottom. like that. Oh, we're blacked out here. And this hooks onto here. All right, we're going to do that next. See what happens. Catch you all later. Like and subscribe, and we'll be back for more of the 64 Corvair rebuild restoration.